Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2018 Subaru Crosstrek, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to change battery in this car. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open the hood, grab 10mm ratchet with the socket, find the latch in the middle, move it to the left, raise up, get the stand, secure it. Alright. So our battery is right here, and in order to remove the battery, we'll have to remove the terminals and remove this thing. So let's start. So first of all, we're gonna loosen this negative. Okay, so just loosen it up, and then we're gonna loosen up the positive. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the terminals. Okay, so once we have these two loose, we're gonna remove them. Okay, like this. And here we're gonna just raise up. It should just come off. Okay, it came off. So just put one terminal aside and the second terminal. Okay, just put it like this. Alright, next thing we're gonna remove these two nuts, this one and this one. Okay, so actually we're not gonna remove them, we're just gonna loosen them up. Okay, this is loose, and okay, at this point I think we should be able to remove. So what you want to do, you want to just unhook it from the bottom like this, and once you unhook this side should go off easy like this. Okay, so this is a bracket, just put it right here. At this point the battery is movable and we can get it out, so we're just gonna grab on it and get it out. Okay, once you have the new battery, so now we have the battery out. So we're gonna remove this thing, and it sits on a tray. Okay, we don't want to lose these things. Now to get new battery, you can actually just go to the parts store or dealer, and the best thing is to bring them old battery, and they will give you new battery with some discount, since they're gonna give you some money for the core. Okay, please note that the positive terminal should be on the left upper side. Okay, yeah, that's it. Once you have the new battery in, you just same reverse procedure, just put this thing on and get it back in place. Please note that the battery is actually very heavy. Okay, so after that we're going to take the bracket. The longer hook goes on the bottom, on the left side. So over here we're going to hook it. Once both nuts are tight, the battery is in place, you're just gonna put back the positive terminal first, okay, and negative terminal. Just get those on here, and we're gonna tighten up this one, this bolt, and this nut, and this nut. Please note that when you're gonna unscrew terminals, okay, like positive terminal, you want to make sure your ratchet and nothing touches things around it, okay? Because you might touch some metal thing, it's gonna give you sparks. So yeah, all we have to do now. So all we have to do now is just tighten up these nuts and close this lid like this. Okay, so guys, this is it. I hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye bye. Yes, and one more thing I forgot to mention. Right now all your radio stations is gonna be reset. The tripodometer is also gonna be reset, and at first time when you go start the car, it's not gonna start. Oh, okay, it did. Usually it doesn't start. So if it doesn't start the first try, okay, it's fine, just do it again.